Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Pick a lightweight paper and translucent vellum so light diffuses, not blocks. Once you have an LED tea light, 3V, and tape, measure and cut a base that's about 1/2 larger than the light to allow airflow. Make 2-3 small vents near the top so heat escapes. This prevents warping. Make sure battery access remains reachable. If glued shut, you'll waste the light. From here, fold panels that will become the lamp walls. Once the panels are folded, align edges precisely and use 1/8 tabs for strong seams. This keeps the shape square and rigid. Layer translucent vellum inside the decorative paper so light scatters evenly. This also hides the LED. If you're adding a wired LED instead of a tea light, route the thin wires to a compact battery pack and check polarity now because correcting it later is harder. Make sure adhesive is set and corners are flush. Steady surfaces prevent light leaks and wobble. To finish, place the LED inside, test brightness and heat while holding the lamp upright. You want soft glow without warm spots. Once satisfied, seal seams but leave a removable flap for battery access so you can replace cells. Trim excess paper for clean edges and add a small weight at the base if it tips. If the light flickers, make sure battery contacts are clean and the battery is fresh. Once done, reseat the LED or tighten connections, and your paper nightlight is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.